and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for stuffing or dressing. This is a subscriber request, and to get started, here are my ingredients. I have one small rotisserie chicken that I purchased from the store because I didn't want to go through the hassle of making everything from scratch. So I did get a store-bought chicken, but you can go ahead and make yours from scratch if you like. I have some homemade cornbread. I did make this last evening, and I will leave the written recipe down in my description box. I have some croutons. I'll be using some chicken broth, onions, celery stalks, bell peppers. I have some fresh herbs, rosemary, thyme, sage, parsley. I have garlic. I'll be using 3 eggs. I have some cream of chicken with herbs, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. I have mushroom seasoning, complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, and seasoned salt. In a preheated pot, I did add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we'll add some butter, allow it to melt. Once the butter melts, we'll go in with the vegetables and our herbs. We'll give it a good toss. Then we'll add some better than bouillon and some black pepper to add some flavor to the vegetables. We'll let them go for about 5 to 8 minutes, allowing them to break down and become nice and tender. Once we're done sauteing our vegetables, we'll turn the heat off and set aside. In a medium-sized casserole dish, I will now add my cornbread and I will add my croutons here. I'm not using the entire pack. I will use most of it, but not all of it. Then we will add the chicken and we'll give it a good toss and make sure that everything is well combined. Next, we'll add the vegetables and we'll give it a good toss. We just want to make sure that everything is well incorporated. And then we'll add the seasonings to add flavor and taste. Next, we'll add our chicken broth, but before we do that, I will add the cream of chicken to the chicken broth and give it a good mix. I feel like it gets better incorporated when you do it like this, but feel free to add it directly to the mix if you wish. Now, I will be leaving all the correct measurements and ingredients down in my description box, but feel free to add as much of the ingredients or as little as you like. Now, this part, it all depends on how you like your dressing. Some people like their dressing really wet and mushy, and some like it a bit more medium or on the dry side. Me, I like mine super moist, but it must still have texture to it. I don't like my dressing mushy. So at this point, you want to taste to make sure that the stuffing is to your liking and it has enough of the ingredients. So once you taste it and it's good, the last thing we'll add is our eggs and parsley. We'll give it a good mix and that's it. So now we'll place this in a 375-degree oven for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. It all depends on your oven. Once the top starts to look golden brown, that's it. After 1 hour, this is how your dressing should be looking. Perfectly done. Now we'll let it cool off a bit before I dig in and show you guys what it looks like. And now for the good part. Let us dig in and see what this looks like. I already know that it is super moist, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for your holiday tables. I did pair it up with some delicious gravy and cranberry sauce. And let me tell you, it was the best thing ever. Perfect. I will leave the link to the cranberry sauce down in my description box. And this was our plate. We enjoyed the entire meal. We had some roast chicken on the side with carrots and potatoes, and everything was amazing. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!